Hey everybody, on this episode of Lemon's World, we are going to call out the dog ate my homework aspect of showing up for a car race. Now, 24 Hours of Lemons and some other racing series too, we try, and I think we're succeeding in making it incredibly easy to know what you got to do to start from nothing and end up on a racetrack. And we have a handful of really clear and simple documents, and all you need to do is look at them and read them and do them. Like, we couldn't really spell it out anymore, I don't think. So 24 Hours of Lemons, it's like school, it's like work. Someone is just telling you what they want. They're putting it in black and white. Just do it.
Do it! Just do it!
So about 95% of teams, that's exactly what they do. They read the thing, they scratch their head, they think about it, they read it again. If there's something they don't understand, they'll reach out to Nick or me or somebody and it will become clear, and they sail right through. 5% of teams, you can hit them over the head with what they need to do, and they're just still not doing it. So we're just going to look at one piece of this right now. Let's look at the tech sheet. What's a tech sheet? Tech sheet is very simple. This is the single page that we use, our inspector uses, when you come through safety tech. It's got line items on it. The inspector looks at it and you either pass or you don't. And we're not talking subtle stuff here. We're talking like brake lights. When you step on the brake, the rear end has a brake light that comes on. Like, that's either happening or it's not. Constantly guys are rolling through and it's just like not working.
Yeah, and this isn't going to be a line-by-line everything you need to pass tech. Of course, all of those resources are available on our website, but this is just to show you some of the easy stuff that you can test at home before you show up at a Lemons race, and you don't even need to be a car expert to do it. Brake lights are a good one. Kill switch is another one. Rev your car up to 2,500 RPM, pull the kill switch. Does it turn off? Does all the electricity turn off? Great, your kill switch is working. If your car keeps on happily running, well, that's a tech failure, and you need to fix it before you show up.
The one I like, the classic example, is there is a line on the tech sheet that says battery. Well, originally it just said battery. Nobody knew what that meant. So, okay, a lot of people failed that. We said, we're going to add more words, and the words are going to say securely mounted. And yet, there's still like 2% of people come through. You grab the battery, it's all over there. It's being held down with chicken wire. Read the tech sheet.
And maybe the king tech failure of them all, in terms of the easiness to avoid it, is the race numbers rule. It says on the tech sheet, race numbers, correct number, easy to read, meets the rules, and then it cites the specific rules on the rules page that you can look for the specs. Somehow people still get this wrong. They show up with a number that the corner workers aren't going to be able to read, and then instead of spending their time eating a sandwich, hanging out with their friends, or fixing their non-running car, they're over there trying to get tape and paint to repaint their numbers. You could have done that before you showed up at the track. It's right here on the tech sheet.
Car numbers are hard.
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 Yeah, so it's all on this document. There's a handful of other documents, not that many, and it's really easy to go smoothly. You just gotta read it and do what it says. Of course, if everybody did that, wouldn't be Lemons.
Car numbers are hard.